Right, in the soil your tune for the pair. My answer here to about now, or yeah, if you have wire and a page. Now, no, you should, but so many shots and then the auto do or you shall no money queen, papa. Obedi bia bosom so ahụ obedi yemi nso ahụ so obedi akuteni hina ahụ so obedi medasi ni na ya abra bole bia anete yiko ende ye yadre fa na hinara ye hwe akon pai butu ya foda ye tumi na hina sa sa ahoro ye tumi esisi ni ya ba yo benefit tumi akwen yin World Environmental Day enne na ye dudu na yesa kan pefu pi ofi abo modele fi tumi na wa abo hi member be etumi na akodo won be nusa nti ekomano ba ye den na che obapo na yin na ma mempa da fo yin che o CCTU Jumedi pi nje na otumo nkodo enya ye kwa no won use car na ekite bi na obobo on so etuma aboa mampunto a awon hene mane metu mpun na fi etum na akweyim mezinisi Omar bin Abdullah sane so de enda na pe etuma sori otufo ala wa ma de tipa che wonza na ne sane so de sero kire won yanko osane sero na lampo otumo hi obida apomedina so yi wo san so keke na ontumo yi na so po ya te papa para butum na wa sero nje sero hi papa nje so hi nsora hopi na wuchi asomdie na aso asomdie a ohunu mun oyekita babi yehwe asora wo for church of theocracy what is salon asomdie na wutum we here the man son oyekalik ajejefo what is Christ asomdie kaw ikwa muslims sa wo assalamu alaikum ni asomdie ba sunna bani bi okite binum nyinara odi bebi a na tere onkoyin kura nti sene so de anepesi si chewe yanko asomdie a wa asomdie ontum no fifu enda yo sima baabe yiba mpefo ofia no ebede hunezi akire ndezimba na ahwefo na etiefu so wona sa etum na akedi yenkwamra Abebiem za na no iwo oye Dr. Samuel Ayi Ofori. Good morning
Minia.
Apomo yeze.
Oh, Radia Domboko, odi yenkwache yenkwande.
Yo na wozo na panza na nda henzina. Wo doctor na panza zeni bia na henzina.
Ba cha eye homa.
Ala eda sipi da. Aba kan ni se. Dog, apart from brofu na fantet abaka so sonati.
Akan kasa de me ya ho ade kakra na me fan se nkran kakra
no wa say fin
ba che me fi abri
okay
fin free man tell me na matna
I see
nti mat hana me wo na mu ma me kofie ewo ekuapem
so bosom na charge na ma bo na za kofi
sanity
all right about doctor so also no book no muzini bia no mo ya panze nti mem so de details a ultimo oho da me na say na esi Taylor eje Taylor se ne bo mtum hu I don't know me sure doctor ya director of research and program also climate change advisor Ghana da me no say CCAG anu no ha bobo ma yetum number be ni yetum na akodo onye na chiraba Nana esi Taylor our patron Green Club Nana esi good morning apome oh yena kamka good morning mama wacho de mahinwa apome yedi na wojo de me no na answer for dey bia ba na zin be all wojo thank you na kofia le bisa sa ho wojo thank you ya ti so kofia no kibisa osene ejeni nchia na wojojo nti kofia le bisa abobo papa fa metumi ya kofia
me so woje mahinwa
dog
sao
right na some say ya ko here yim na yim pe fu etum na abonkomo wo ye sama inde ya betene fie bo ma na fie etum ya ba be za ma wo ye December ya ko yim za dog why there of be to be no how they to celebrate World Environmental Day why
yo menia brother Adla nyame nshirawo na fe so yemfa Costa TV so na yejia Ghana fo ene wiase nyina na yenam asenso e wa kwenyen ya yenyen eho ehia pa se afibia ye tnase na yehwe ne wo friend World Environmental Day na onyankopon bo ade no obo onipa na obo ewiase nyina na ode ne betene mu na de ba ko o ka kire ne se ontena ho na ohwe na abode ne so nti nia atwa onipa no ho ahie nyina no eye nia obroni ka no environment na eyi na eho akohia se ewiase kubata eye United Nations wo agency baako a wo fe no UN Environment Program na sa ku no won asede se esese sa se mo nyankopon kan no se bi nyansa wom etasom nti wodi hihye bi to se da bi a afimu ni nyina yeyi da bi nsi ho a eye enne ye kan da na 5th June ana obosoma etoso asian ne na etoso anum ewo afibia no yen fansi ho ewiase nyina yen kai nea etwa obade ama etwa yen ho ahia nea eye yen nsuwa nea eye yen nsase a onipa tumi nam so nea eye yen kwai nea eye yen wiem ene mframa ene nipa a wetwa yen ho ahia nyina wo kan environment no emo awom enoma ene ade nyina no e kan ye hwe na yen nwene ho na yentu anamon bi ne titiro ne se ebia na biribi wo ho a etochema ewo yen nia etwa ye ho ahia mu ana nia ye fe no environment no biribi etochema ewo ho nti ebi sabre na wo de saade ne wiase nyina de won ani hwehwe mu a wo se adidi eyo hawo na won ayi asi ho na obroni friend team se eyi na esi ye ngani so se neda ye pese ye kai ne atwa ye ho ahia no aye environment no nia esi ye ngani so bota ye pese ye ka ho asem ana ye twen wiase nyina adwene ejina so eni nti afibia no saa kwanya ne boa ema ye de team bi si ye ngani so ma yetumi hwehwe se ade eyo how na kwamben so ne ye befa ye beso ano nti afi ne ye wo ho no ne aye rekai o se beat plastic pollution say ye de ba Ghana ha nke bi Ghana ha no ne ya eyo how kese pa ye kese ye celebrate a sub topics and ye betumi a share and sub teams e bi e be ye galamsey issue because a serious environmental threat sanet inti wiase nyina no a Ghana so kan no nea ene esi ye ni so ye pese wo ka ho asem na wo twi wiase nyina adwene gina so no eye beat plastic pollution na woga wo se eho akohia paanti necessary se adwumadi no wodi
Domino dog to America, you can nesu one you can be said there. If you answer about pollution, some pollution and make it too soon. See, but now become police. And then say, I'll bend there, you do India, about for so. I'll benefit between ye, because all day to me you do India. And I say,
every day, assembly, I work a day, say, Idria last January, na Nimpasu. Echo 1 away, science now, what's the day? Idianumu, from Mofimun. Oxygen na hen ye ho na hen so hen carbon dioxide fi mu na edua no so o use bi nti se carbon dioxide ne be bebre wo ewim ana wiase a edua bia ni ho bebre a obetwe fi ma na o che de ye rekọ ma bo nya ato nezin climate change no ewim ma ye hye so ma nyama rekọ nyama rese nti se abrabri nyina wodua ekọ baby mpa atifie na edua bebre wo ha e woda fam bebre bo ho na mframa so agiko ndo ye clear or clean na se ewia bopa na wodua bi e ka hyasa ono so o shade edua bi wo ho so a o meziban itumutu bi na edi o shade itu bi na edi enti edua bebre a owo wiase ne obi a wo na mfa so but kakra e butuma aka anyi obwa human race or humankind ma wotum whatna asasi do.
Now let's me some be so there ye due na do we assess it ye community kwa kwhwe there due you 1000 name 500 na wotum wofifi 500 na wotum wofifi next time no mo wotum wofifi butum ya calculation and e dua na ya dan na jedama
Ehe momze for yen university no ye dua ndua ye wo prof bi wo ho a ono wo sha ase wo university ho no we dua tik nti no de bia onam ho a o hwe o yen gate an pepepe idu ho a be won dey we dua no ho no na yen so ya ye 102 idua bia o idua o mo si a o si ofofar na onyin ibu o ho a onyeyi ibu o so a obotum we gina na wa yen ko afa wo dua azimpo ya wo dua eburo bebre a nyene nyina na ofifi oye fine but ibiru so tum ko back na otum okodua ma oye nti ono oye warankasa ma ebe ye no se ndua na edua ne botum akọ na akọ akohwe mo se ndua no we nyina afaza fine but ohia pa ada nke bodu edua mango wo fe na wanye ya ihu oda se ndua
sa
Dr. Sami yan shede kasa no na se theme asampoa osipuno do o se beat plastic pollution. Plastic yan nyina yim na rubber na e beat ni den na pollution hindu so ye ka hansam.
Yo mini amidase. E ka se beat plastic pollution a. Ni tiawa mu a ne se esese se yan se rubber abeye ohaw ama ewiase nyina. Enye Ghana nkoya etina eye global team no se ye Ghana nkoampanka ebekese eyo hawo wiase afa na nyina na rubber abeyo hawo efise se abeka ye na setena ho nsu ya esi hei ewo rubber ye na akoya ye tisi ebi ye rubber ka ye tinemu ebi ye baby eye rubber tese utwa wani a akoa they say plastic chairs any ade nyina no bibia ye rubber bebre na akodo pempen so say esan say rubber entumi mpro na wode to ho a baby a obekwa ode betom ebetuma ada ho ana say ebetuma afi ho akọ baby ede ohawa akọba ho nti abeye kwana yebefa so na yebekura no ayo haw kakra inti eresay ade pollution say eresay ade eresay yensase eresay yensu eresay eniama bebre ehom mfama ye home yen adua yedi eresay eniama bebre inti sa osay a eresay no enda esese ye pekwana ye befa so a ye betumi edi so enkonim
nti sayen foko na ibutum no yezi nkuhim wa nzema otum say akwana bi ehinde dog
good inti ekwan no ebi ni say ye bepe say in fact eno ni team a United Nations say yanka ho asem say refuse to use inti ni ba no me ni akonya say me ya advert am obi anti ade na me kire no me mfa eye eyi lemom me wo eniama bi ewa ha eniama biem bi wa ha wa wo sa eniama yi ba ko ye paper ba ko so ye rubber
maro so kaka
you sa eniama yi ba ko ye rubber ba ko ye paper me ko na me ko project supervision wo ba bi
okay
nti yi a me ka say eye hotel bi ne packaging material eno na wo ko ne restaurant ukodidi na wo aduan wo de bema wa eyi mu no de bese ba ko nso ono so eyi no use iti wo se yanka se refuse to use sa kwanya bi wo ha ye be pese ye be use bribia nke ye use ade bia ana ye fa bribia enye rubber iti eno ye okwan ba ko a ye be fa so na ye to be the pollution. If you say nya koto ho a empro eyi de se de yete no isunya guso pe na emuamoa de won anu koka obroni friend biodegradable ebe pro sana obo ade aye se eno na ema ewiase no entenase through recycling iti ade ne pro a baby aye fa ade no ebi okra de aduampo ema asase no na asase no inoba ye woso na fa onipa kodi ana onipa fa eyi no de ye paper otel eyi du efiduam papers nyinaa yɛ fi dua mu nti dua no san kɔ back na dua no ne nti na fa na asan ayɛ ɛyi na wokɔtwa dua na wode ayɛ paper saa na ɔbɔ ade ayɛ nneɛma no nti ɛno yɛ baako afei nso ɔsɛ reduce yɛn mmɔmɔden sɛ na yɛn nyusu ne bebree hwɛ ade wokɔtɔ brodo no wɔn akyekyere wɔ rɔba fitaa bi mu sɛ na ɔbi mu sɛ na brodo ne tinti afei wɔn wie no wɔsan de ama wahyɛ rɔba foforɔ mu me nso me kɔtɔ brodo a me kura me baagi a me sɛ brodo no wɔ yɛn fama no na me de ahyɛ me baagi mu ebi wɔ ɔkura mpo a nea ɛyɛ brodo a ɛyɛ hot no yɛn fa nhyɛ rɔba mu ntɛm saa wɔde to wɔn na adwo kakra nti me kɔtɔ na wɔn ato brodo no foforɔ saa me sɛ fa to paper mu mam na me de paper na ahyekyere ho na me de ahyɛ me baagi mu na me de kɔ efi sɛ ebi a me kɔ a me di ne ntɛm ampo sɛ me ni ne ntɛm a rɔba wɔn a yɛ rɔba sɛ yɛn fa adeɛ yɛ hyew ɛna ɛnhyɛ mu efi sɛ wo gogo sese a na wohwɛ a EPA de aba officials a efi Food and Drugs Authority nso aka over and again sɛ rɔba adeɛ yɛ hyew ɛkɔ mu a elichi chemicals a wɔde yɛ egu aduan no mu nti ɛno mpo enye nansan EPA officer Kumase ɛde bɛtu gua sɛ fìyànum koko na ɛwɔ rɔba ɛyɛ hyew mu a ɛyɛ ɔhaw ma yɛn ɛyɛ nɔkware efi sɛ wɔn a yɛ rɔba no sɛ wɔn fa nkyekyere adeɛ a ɛyɛ hyew nti ade nti na mekɔtɔ brodo na brodo no ɛwɔ rɔba wɔde ahyɛ rɔba fitaa mu na wɔsan de ahyɛ rɔba tuntum mu obi wɔ kora wɔsan de hyɛ rɔba another one mu na bɛyɛ biesa ɛyɛ reduce the use ɛne yɛ ade baako afei nso yɛrekɔ nea wɔfrɛ no recycling sɛ ade ɛho akɔhia sɛ anyanyanyɛ koraa no sister wɔ hɔ yi ebi a sɛ ɛyi yɛnya minimum nso yi wie a kwan bɛn so na ɛsɛ sɛ mefa na nka ade wɔsan ayida sɛ eyi obroni sɛ reuse nti yɛwɔ recycling na yɛwɔ reuse nti reuse no nka menya yi metɔ sasha na nka mahwie agum sɛ mepɛ bɔtɔ nkwan de a metɔ sasha na nka mahwie agum I can reuse this in fact I can wash this metuma okuro ho fine de bia na me cry nti nka me eyi reuse no me bomode say mesana use ni bio nti nka menya menom eyi sase beye menom nka menom eyi beye 10 no ebeye 1 pe na me cry de bia na no na wo ho plastic ye wo ye mo fra ko school ana ye na ye wo mo fra wo ko school aya na ye wo one bottles ho water bottle o say ya to baako ebi kura afimu ni nyina no na ode ko school unya nsura wo hye agum na ode ama ko instead say obi nso ofi a wo be ko no we no wato ne box be ye 10 ina esi wo adebi ode ba ko ma abofra ne ko school debi ode ba ko ma abofra ne ko school hwe senia hwe pollution na ono obekọ so odi pa no obekọ so enti eno ye ohaw ba ko the reuse what say yen reuse kwan akonya ba ko e ho ne ebeboa to reduce or beat the pollution after recycle obo ade ye niama say ade bia ntwa ne ho na san kombra mesi na namu enti ade kwan benso circular economy kwan benso ne ebefa yenya eyienya aba no yebetumi ahwe say enka yebesan ede akọ na say yanya reuse kura no a won fanye biribi foforo ema yen na ankoye ohaw ewo baabi efise ebi ohaw no de yebeba so efise se eyi yentuma mbiti a ne yede bebre yen no yen ayempe enya atem ketwa you enti kwana yebetumi afaso reduce and beat the pollution no ebi ne recycling after so o say rethink let us rethink yen san ndwendwe ho bio aso emre a na eyi eni ho no na ye ni biribia yetumi ede ye niama oh if say ya hwe ni ya ba bia wi ase na kodo no abaye ohaw enye ohaw anka won kan ho asem nka won kesi yem fancy won yen kan ho asem iti no quality we need to rethink say akwanya bi wo ho me wo titino na nka basket ye wo eyi nkenten kitinkitin bi a wonwen a eno ne ye de kogua so eno ne ye de kogua so na okwa wato woni amagum eye basket nice basket a won aye na de bia wo de kogua so enso ne okogua so on basket nko if you say wo paper polythene bag and as a rubber bag what the pack ni amanyina let us rethink the use because so long as I don't know ye betumi enya alternative ye be find kwenya foforo so ne yetumi ade ntina on market na wo fa wo basket enkura enkonkoto ne amangumu ma na wo be kos wo de nsa panko wo ko meko bibia nti wo be wu say obeko beba no emomo no de good problem meko no de good problem into us good problem and into be wu say obiwie na ye tese market ba ko obeko no hwe ni pa dom so ese ye ko market into every day the generated amount we generate tons and tons of plastic waste and no pollution pollute your environment no into no rethink no ba konen afenso first no se ne yake nka ukoto eya okwa o de chance koko ni ade nyina wa no mo ha okura chance no ase magumna de ko ene de entisa chese ama ade ntina okwa akoto eyi na okwa wontumi fa me wo ma me ma me ba ko owo ne beverage bottle ho de bia oba adwuma na obeto koko a ofori okwa jeyi ko na wato medina guma breme wow it is like that until we have to yakwenya yenyina ese yema ye nebre if you say ye be ka ho asem or how as ye ntumi ambiti a obi ato akene wa ha no wo ha na nsu abefa wo if you say ade akochoki gata bi we inti emse kakra ebetumi akane
ya kakra oya msofori anu wa chemini esi yehwe ankra ban ne mpanyefo a wo manimu kono pa ebetumi ya afoda da manza ne yetumi bobotire ya ka hi ho abom na efie etumi yetun ho anam esi meme ya no na ofori akakansa agba refuse to use reduce recycle reuse and rethink young for refuse to use and reduce to use and this is a company for so here what about
company for na day won ya ba ne mo ma atwedo pa mu de obisu na edwuma ore ya anya ozero yeyi manufacture wo ho ni bobo kwa koto retail wo ho ana wholesale wo ho retail wo ho na wana wo gom so wo boto because aton ho na aze wo ze nya no ho mfa so obisu ton wo ba nkoten ze hwe na ebusu afo nyina won so wo ho nti se reka de se won ye fi wo mpa che de obi na edwuma abona anye nti no de aru bebre no no wo no mesha obesute no na use but na for instance the Ghana National plastic policy or no 2020 over day. Why can some be brave? But mamma me no Japan behavioral change na work home. Into you better change in behavior. May work be now what's the day? Say per day change your behavior or day in your knowledge. Obi o knowledge was be hono. Aya na ni behavior asesa. That mean papa so otum sesane attitude because me nyim there. Plasticky. Me use the baby or how into no. Me him. Into my attitude no. Mamma got on bottle. Nice bottle. Yeah. My true is in the next one. I marry me use. Yeah. Into no. My attitude in me master some attitude. I dama. Fa you con control baby now. And I'm will be with fear. Recycle. I'm a to recycle. But now say who then call for J plastic. Yeah. No, I bought one. Yes, school day a bins wa. Say every school na way bia e so kwato benin e wo fie na say o plastics bebre ya ye so ya o bag ye du campus na ye za hyehye azenim won na ba ba fa wo ho climate change advices ko ba fa na wo so ko mecha na atasa nti abanze na doc rekano policies is or EPA will be food and drugs board will be but what can you behavior and when na charge so den so or yen ho there able to ya kire mo frama no kwana oba fada wo manage one plastics is eco school or pra first eco school na say ye pra nwura ye pra indiana we gu fom no na ade na ye pra na classroom paper is eco school na eco school na ka pra wo bank cause you kogare no gu rubber watch no gu rubber shape black polythene bag na we mia watch na fi rubber no na words na worry rubber ni na was ka into your behavioral change abandon is why am obey policies no ho but yes bi na yet na hierarchy yes san ka bi into me yes ra man for your behavior no or the yes sa echo for Germany for example and na me rubber bia obi kita na bicycle na na bag bonechi no plastic bottles or bins or your business echo supermarkets for instance hiba echo kwa na za share plastic machine plastic awamwa machine no botcha back don pe na ye ni nto obi ajo no eye na fine na dash if you na ajo ticket ajo ticket na za ko store ha ko to eziban na za ko shopping na here ye ndidi ye jama nkofo no na mkwa no was so but oye me dawo mpo de dem has na ahase because ebe kwa ha no obi aye plastic kukuwa obi kukuwa chere we have started we are trying into no abaneze they be our waka what's one away policies but yen seke bia or my ye but o to me ma no o sane be ya ebia every region bia and every district bia no obo ebia climate change officer sustainability officer into I don't know na edwuma ya no around o cheche mo from o school there o plastics yendam when ever container efensi ha obi a fa na plastic mbogu eto aza for o chance ezuko school fine bra men just ban wo rubber into education ko on the behavioral change na policy ni mu no yenso yen sabaka
esisa owo Ghana mbrele mu no yin na he sabaka esi eya aishan na nyenzi de baba ka home da maka mpe tuma akodo sen aisha school asen basic the man akwhwe pono me etukon abo baby agere se fantafo yi wakasa bi mede na wosi wonye nuanum osonbiana na maame osa mede ze na amara mo ho wosi de bi na okechiro nti esi yembi se de engine zire the entity is shase wo oye basic obutu no abo ma fa na kasa otum no onyim owonyimzi wo obutu no abo
but e dey answer na isa be you ano no ma me fa eyi ntwam na business nkrofo wo enko how adwene na companies na sister kan say na behavioral na oka asem bi e wo friend sustainability obia wo ye adwuma ade ba ko a ehia SSA eka ho eye sustainability etina me menya akwenya wa he ma menka sa asemi wa ha na ento Ghana nyina ya som eni wiase nyina asom se ade ba kunti a na wokese illegal mining na yentumi nso wa no ade ba kun se yen define ade ni ye eye illegal irresponsible unsustainable mining sanyama 3 na say yede shemrenum okay say illegal adentina company bi bekese aseme na aka no me koshe say me legal entity ana koshe say me nya concession no by legal means ana but he is doing irresponsible and unsustainable mining. The problem is a policy beyond say defining the policy problem. Oh, hey, so defining the one how the policy solution should be. It is sustainability. Sustainability no HSA. A kwan ben so na mefa ni amiye no emfa or how emba. Inti oko mining companies are where papa no a me mbobo wodi. But many people here juma me consultant ma a lot of them. We was sustainability department.
Yes.
Oshe say sustainability. Nkrofo a won anya adwuma e wo mining ha na so ya befa won asase kwan ben so ne ye resettle e ma won ne ye pe adwuma ma won no kire won afatuo abegina yenso what is the this year was the last year nkrofo bi treat you call mind bi say won so yen so e ha de yete mo betu yen ye ni hwe wo wura mu say yen mo di besi ani gold ni yen so kwa kofa bi ya antesa eye sustainability city some crofo no obekon sisi ana sustainability department no I engage consultants memeka ho ye resettlement livelihood restoration program emma won say ye training won ebinum be catfish obi be poultry obi be greenhouse production ni nyina into sustainability no company na oye saadi no the sustainability plan we fa yes e ka ho so person ye adwuma wo environment no ma it's just like mining. You can mine gold, but it can have a problem for somebody else.
Yes.
What is the sustainability program that you have to ensure that you are doing a responsible and sustainable? In fact, sadly, Adibia Mitchell, a science, me a senior lecturer, University of Cape Coast, Department of Animal Science. Mrs. Tansuye, or your lecturer, CCTU. Ye a check for Yamiadum ye works yapon. Because of that, Adibia Metreno have pulled that thing out. Sustainability, sustainable food value chains, sustainable this, sustainable that. If you say, what we are company now, we are sadino. You are aware that this is a menace now. Anyway, a problem, say, am I? Or sustainability plan, ever infa. As I said, what they say back, say, oh, Adi, say, me company I be used to Sadi way no. Nidi wa meshe say baby a me product be ko bia I'll provide a bean label what ya the bean nesi woni ma label wa ha fa me ade we kotomo ma me every week me ba be fa. That is one thing, and we must take the bull by the horn now. That is one. Two, ni amere say I will give incentives. I will incentivize people. Obia, why you crowd of say the baby? Say you can sister can. Baby, all the adine ko share we no mpe. Ebe take it time out. Yes scan e was wo. What I say nya kwese kura, mo nga twa sika wo so. Say sika we minya bebre na me ko, me bo e bia short code. Eko ve empo company we ya. Wo be marry. Sorry. Minya sa ticket ni bebre na me bo short code e ko sa we ya na me the ticket number ne so a what is can be to me mum account ama me sustainability it will be say your producer are the way but e ma be your problem e your pollution bro me tell what you say it be near obisaya companies no e your na say pa say what she say sustainability ebego emasani ame say one a crowd say what person they want to be in business there they must do responsible and sustainable business.
Just a message that one a crowd don't continue that no order with too much nay or say entutu oye baba ngubi na dando now in case that and that no so about tomorrow reply fine because I'm on that no so into more on that. Esi maybe so awesome. Can you do that?
Enti ye able to ya ye dodo. Ye able to ya. Em dey won na watch KG phase, watch prime phase. Won na ku school pon.
Yeah.
Enti say wo be chere mata, o se no school pon nim. Wo be chere English a o se o school pon nim.
Right.
Enti no enka order yitum ye se shey na educational policies ye de chere teacher for na rankasa. Na se wo put pad wo kwa Obeche mafama di e mebe ka che woni bia da wo ye biara oye daw oye asaw oye bijenu wo beye afra be hu da we use rubber ma wa cho put your plastic here ma wa classroom why dustbins be 3 your plastic your paper your
by the heavier food waste put here
classroom go afra no botum za put because on the obey madam feel yenya ye wo school meti hey me best teacher or hospital be they be able to hospital kitchen because I'm the best student yeah no so na menyu agide afaka kraba no this teacher no mpu no ye na nyankopon no kwa kotu yeah a phrase benyin Ozako primary school, the same dustbins wo. Ozako JSS, the same dustbins wo. Ozabo university, the same that Oziboko edwumam, na Oziboko fie so. Inti ya shall say in the education on that side now. What bebre? I mean, they chase the man will invest you. They akabanku. There's a robber. But the banku yama.
Yes. Yeah, market.
And which one is a robber?
That's your market.
Then, most of them to be a Mr. La. If I could damage you, you could chop Brazil. Nay, Abanese are better. Nay, they go you. Culture and a fine. Bankuya boy knows he had
yes.
They are a chill. Unkadokon and share rubber. Because he is young Ghanaian is a banoso. Culture Nazano.
You say you crowd this a year factor what they draw by S1.
And we steam on the way by rain. Why? It's my education, Bob Boy. Education, Bob Boy.
It's like a fast man, but market massive. But if you do and they did be able to come to say now radio stations so work up Kusaha. Now, okay, almost car crown they could do. Now, any radio station, be self open or into me funkuting. Now, mastering programs, man, gentlemen said, no, it's been a permit in funkuting. Also, baby, tell me say about or pull it out. Also, near. You take a picky coupon, say, young cabin, fancy. Never said you. The mother boy and so man can. There's also known to me. I don't know those. And what reasons the import into me yet? And say, oh, they being. No, so this thing is small. Educo, I don't know, off a full year, the day, Mr. Mao, the baby to Mr. Yo, but payment who will be defense. Ah, no, a weapon poor fancy and apple to me. I know to my mark. Was the Mapador and Yan. No matter me being cool to one hand. Then get a share on market, you'll be some my course school, I'm a cooking, no, we shouldn't with you. Yes, at the end of the day, it's the first.
Wow.
Sure. At the end of the day, it's the first. And see, I can't have torn up because okay, in Kotora, Mr. Entora, Madame Hatoba,
Sanity,
numbers are bad.
Sanity,
I'm a sister to my bad. And see, since I was something about the Papa, Cape Coast Basic School, so I have when I'm 80 basic school, Cape Coast. Aboko school be I am to that. The Madi being different. It's only some of the private schools. Now Aboko to like private school, good Samantha Operator School. Aboko be the rubber gun or go on home from to win. And to say you should basic schools 80. Number for 400 plus 500. How we now with the elementary with the now. Job and I mean Uncle Banas. One of this carbon without to be in automotive so. Parent, you trace Gayable. And say, Damina, some you won't tell me I'm a name do while you're to me and they to me about Tanasi, nephew to me. Doc, Binum so good at what did you ever see? Binum so Cabuano, no Giatu. One and Robert do Biara, Utumo Hall, how hard been Biara. No, so I have papa, another so your dog.
And no, ye best and yet. Proper way of disposing it off.
Okay.
If you say what she only no chemicals on a cycle a rim na a day or how so asayamba. The baby or why you should talk cry your how in so a better no chemicals near day. Into your best say and ka nepa pemono ye wakwana ye faswa ye pese ye nan adiwe ya ye bendan no emma massa in which you are now say air pollution, you know, because worry you know, sound air pollution, our baby, but you will wash you, but Ubenang Adiwe ya, and Fasa or how no, Emma. Into your best say, and car say no said near cano, Ubia Momoding, we are say we have to beat the waste, this plastic waste pollution. Now, unya, what they pay baby, fato. Meaning say Eric Kane, enche, a binum betu one among. Say, at least, company beer with a bottle of water, and any adeno. But one day, so long as I would be a woman now brand, what brand they are the day. In Kafa, what brand being, AC, various places. A bit my yen M1 near friend corporate social responsibility as part of sustainability plan. Schools, basic schools be near to me because school be able to what on the baby a wo bi wo ho nti adan ne ntumi mmoa e wo saa kwan ne so na ye fa nkosi wo ye wo eyi wo ho adekitwa bi wo ho a okwa na wo de asi ho saa we bi wo de hyemu a ebe ma opepa bi na kakran say eye 0.01 peswa ana 1 peswa unya 10 a ebe ma o eyi a it's 10 pesos it's good kakran na ebe ma nya changes bi any ade inti ma yen ko hyew no yesre won bebre wo be ko na won aka go no wore hyew no ye wo kwan a one nine ade we enye emfa air pollution emma
wo kon power for that wotum na wodi jaka say the ma ade doctor so on for oye pollution bi an to MCR me bo cho yen show the image here no wotum na ezabe na fi yen ko yen on to me me do MCR please help me into na yen ko hene dog ye gudo ye can sustainability now so to maintain sustainable things aya no why Ghana hapa because ye baka but to implement to sustain about able to be yam the mazo to me or dey them dan so to me shemezra na
good enti senia waka no ye wo emra no in fact o hwe senia na ye wo plastic waste management policies ye wo na ade ba ko hawo ye ni say oman what the policies are now bi ba ade no want to me hwe say ina no hwe say ne awon ahese no ere ye adwuma ye na ade ba ko hawo ne nti meka say ya tintim mra ne nhyehyɛ bebre nso say ebe hwe say ebe ye adwuma ana na eyo hawo ese say won a wo hwe say saade ne be ye adwuma e say wo ma wo mu so okay wo ma wo mu so pa na enye adwuma eno ya de ba ko na afen so say na oka no behavioral change ye hia education ye hia nkyerɛkyerɛ say obi ni me say adi eko topum na aboa no osane say nam no ntumi winti obepo so ya akese no afi ye koyi ana say aye wo say microplastic abubu nketen na akonimu na yen yakoto ne yare yawia leaching edura ewoma elichi akonimu no eno so abayemu na de ohawa brain ukọ hu oma nipa ne te asesere farefo aye wo ha nke sese ye hwe se nsu bia ebebo epomu no nke sese ye wo friends water barrier anka ansa na ebedu mpone ozi ofi akọ elmina obo se nsu bi wo ha erebo won aye ne bridge wo ho nke sese ye water barrier wo ho na plastics a enna mu nyina ba nyina eduwa na aka na yakosesa ye wo we bia wo ye other places na entumi ankopo num efise enya akodu ponum a me kopo a me boka me de premix me de mewe me de meyi me de kopo a me kwa kwochere eyi nko a afa su minim se ade we enya koja to ha meja wa to ha no ebe kwa akochoki gota bi wo kotokraba insu ta ebe block no ebe mensu ya yiri wo kotokraba me ba wo ha insu de ne beko me ba wo nkra na insu de ne beko me nya pue na me nim na emergency bi kosi na insu to bebre na insu no koyira anase insu no insu san no eye flada or the how bebre it is education no as say yema nipa ne hu say it will go and come back to us. Then we say your education so more a trigger behavioral change
sustainability
sir
as you have your screen you I'll travel now I just enter where them in the many
Cape Coast Technical University World Environmental Day. So today 5th June 2025 10 a.m. We want to celebrate this day, so we want us to celebrate with us. The World Environmental Day is a global event that encourages action to protect our planet. This year, let's come together to make a real difference in preserving the environment for future generations. So CCTU celebrates World Environmental Day.
You want that can get it? Mom was a message. I'm like in Canada. Please, let's go back. MCR. MCR, please. Go back, please. MCR, I can go for this.
Cape Coast University, Kuku Awo Bueno. Yes, yenye UN 480. We are singing what the environmental day the fancy work.
No, uncle. We are singing
CCTU. Here's the chair for one of what's around now. It's nothing in our boom. Ya can. What the environmental day was. Now, the topic in beating plastic pollution. Ye we are near Ashade. You would drea India. Ni doing Jazwa. Nay, Ashade. Yara you school. Your book Rodoma. And them school as a man would be a brenna. Etu, be a to form and a to corner India. No, they don't man would not be. No one for so abba. And see, I will go ya when you are Japan, go to my but join him. Na ya casa, ye are now, ye doing Diana. Ye am a school my effect.
One Jezebel.
The stability, Jumano, climate change, or you too much change. Oh, you too much. I would have won one J.
Indeed, the mango, if you feel you, and this is a number.
But 5 years' time, because I'm a mango.
I was at the second
every say, Mammy, 5 years count. CCTU, one I had the sister, the special sister, why are the pa? Sister, or you busy lecturer for housing, also is a green club, where's your mama? I beg you, Pempen, so it is or your quail, or your first a year organizing my own plastic bins. It will be a second honor. A plastic collection bin. Also, wish I won't in this one. Ibisa had a hands tree. Why are this? On the vice chancellor, Professor Boache, and the Yanumina Wobua, na Jumedina Kosono, and more about so. Now, Adibakua, me per se, metri Adinigina sono, ye, near what friend, et to watche, and our volunteerism. Every yira, ewo, yemu, sese. Inti onipano ye bribia, or she say, Obenya. Monetary reward. Say yes, sir. Yen to me in coying a name. If you say Edu baby, I will say Adibi or say 1 year every say at your however. Okako yen so who became baby. It to the crowd one can say you with Ukoto Kumposika at the boa. So I don't know Odika yen. You collected money. You went round first being you or call officers say Obia donate Bibia. Yeah, but say ye collection bin or the year love collection bin. Guess I was it to campus war and some climate change advisors Ghana. So you who knew my panel. Yes, you be so as saying, Emma, you could donate to be a cow. Inti, my person, the can say, as a home. Ama young man to me, aye. City Bribinia. Yenina yemfa ye hunje bi first no say amanga adwuma o manga adwuma eyi eyo o manga adwuma empo eye global na say wiase adwuma hendi na ye wiase adwuma dey ana say o manga adwuma da ese say ye twen adwene gina so na ye kokko hu kwan be fa so a ye be bo anya say nsuri ba be fa ye emra nsuri no te ye ni be ba ye nsu na plastic waste ne tourism no so eno so nkan eye part of the behavioral change.
Dog, Papa Wazedo, yes, Mr. Samuel, Sayo, the dear to the same where we shoot the dad, the dear to the same where we shoot the dad, and another appetite. Now about the snow, and say, another appetite. Now about the snow, and say, if you're important, don't can say,
you it a year plant a tree exercise. Send me a no, a year. World Environmental Day Initiative. World Environmental Day Initiative. Na yere kai wi ase nyina na etwa ye ho ehia. Na yere kai wi ase nyina na etwa ye ho ehia yi. Yenso Climate Change Advisors Ghana CCAG CSAC. Ne ayenso AG CSAC. Ne ayenso yere ye ewo mu eni se ye beboa na yedua enua. Nti se yere kai sa den no enne eye enne June day 5th June yene Cape Coast Technical nti we action club back when we in school bi e wo gwa ha e second cycle school mesianfo kwa na ho e na ye koye se ekodi se adwuma no aha nti nne no ye World Environment Day
ni target bi ododo ahin na yetu edu a wo adwumaje yedu
nne no de
ka humpo na se wozo kwa wo do kwa ho na obotum we ye fim no wo ho no na wala suppose ebotum eyi na enenam flowers gay ana enam baby a ehu de nkofa abobo bottle ana itum do kwa itum zigya ho ewa na won so wetum aye me fan fra say aye education what has got to ball ma wo de mamre ye onye na chiche ni nyina wo nchen awo e wo car so efe na wo bebre wo fi CCTV ye obi se ba san wo eba wore gina ho a ebibia ye ni ATM wo no e kwa na wore za ahyehyem da ma so ye ma na ya sako bi ye zeko no na yenso ye ma gwema ni ye fem ndase
Doc, what's the job here?
Yo, inti senia ye board tofa no. Ene aye kai wiase nyina na etwa ye ho ahia na ne titiri ye de asie ni so say. Ese say ne aye rubber de ohaw bre ye na mo ma say yitumi di so no. Obi a modern say obenya sakrai ewo senia oye ne niama efa. Kai hu say wo de kwa akoto baabi e de ohaw ebeba emu mpo eyi nitini ne so na nsu kakra time a ntontom bekwa akohye ntontom semu a obabri di bebre no de malaria aba nti ube se nsu tutope ade nti na nsu tuto a na ntontom na malaria ne cholera ne ade amane mu so saa ne amane amen esuso ne amane mu a na eno na ema akwanya ti ne nyina yen health ne efa yen apomuden ho say nam yibekwa akoshe nam yem na be break it down na nam ne yebekwa akoto ne yebedi ene ade anampo ni nyina yen health aye yen apomuden choke gata sinti amansu eyiri na abefa yen a e de how aba afi so eniama bebre obehu say yen environment yen say eyi apomuden ni apomuden a bayi musa enforcement agency hina no directly responsible local assemblies and the MMDs and the local government they say minimum say plastic pollution. Yeah, that's it.
Right, the doctor says papa doctors obia was setting warrior jumezinum nti oda ebomazin na fiye tumre yeboa madam zamina ebomazin na fiye tume na akwa nti badda doctor some omazin na fiye tume na akwa nti badda doctor some aye ofori ebe na so papa ya so ya me mbon hoban damasina